Welcome back, and it's another hair loss transformation. On the left, we have a client who's been coming to us about 6 months. This picture on the right was about a 3-month period after her receiving the trichology treatments and using our scalp biotics and our scalp medics and Creo miracle drops. And that last picture was of the individual coming for about 6 months. Her transformation has been amazing. She at first was going to someone who was using excessive force of crochets. Now we do a crochet unit, so we do not put the actual tension on her own actual hairline and scalp. And this client's hair has been able to grow out. Her hairline has been able to completely almost regrow all the way in. This is just amazing. No chemicals were used, all natural. For more information, please book with us so that you can get your own hair loss transformation. Please text or email for the most speedy response. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful afternoon.